What's up, YouTube? It's me again. And guess what? Guess what we're gonna do today, motherfucker? We're gonna do you guessed it, another unboxing video. Cause look, something came in the mail for me today. Yeah. Yep, from Hot Topic. Yeah, something came in the mail for me today from Hot Topic. Let's check it out. Ooh, let's check it out. Let's get opening this thing. Oh, brutal! Look at that. Before I do, oh, what's this? Oh, they gave me a coupon. Wow. Lucky. I mean, no, I'm gonna get. Apparently, when I use this coupon or the other coupon I still have, I'm gonna buy myself a Suicide Silence T-shirt. It's gonna be awesome. Yep. And let's check it out. Let's take off the little tag that came with it. I don't know why they had to add the tag to it. It went on the store. Alright, let's check it out. Look, they got like everything. Like everything when you find it at the store. See the little tag that says Hot Topic? That's hilarious. They probably got it from the store. Oh, that's sick. That's nice. Check it out. Cannibal Corpse. A skeletal domain. That is awesome. I can't wait to get wearing this. My second Cannibal Corpse t-shirt. A skeletal domain. Yeah. That is awesome. Man. Check it out. Oh. And yeah, so that was just my short little unboxing video, and I hope you all enjoyed it, and be metal, stay brutal, and yeah. See you guys all soon. Bye for now.